So finally, we have AI also in Kartra. It's an amazing news. We can use AI inside Kartra to write faster or email and to edit and write faster or pages in Kartra. So in this video, I will show you how it works, AI in Kartra. Actually, I am inside an edit of broadcast. I am on the step of the message writing, and here you can find generate with AI. A prompt is opening, and here you can enter what you want the AI to write for you. So, for example, write me an email to sell my video course about email marketing. Okay, you can decide what tone to use, and you can decide the language to use. For example, English in this case. Okay, and you can decide to include my AI business settings. So there is a section in Kartra I will show you where you can add some details about your business. And on this case, with this option available, the AI will check also the information you give to the AI system and will use in creating your content. Without activating this, the AI will ignore your AI business settings. So actually, I'm using it, and I click use Kartra AI. So it's preparing the content. Okay, here we are with our email written, and what we can say is that I can revert to previous situation, I can use the content, or I can refine my result. So I have 100 characters to refine results, for example, making the email shorter and more concise, or other instruction. And I can regenerate and refine the result. When I'm at the end, I can use content and proceed with the sending of the email. Regarding the page builder, the pages, you have two options available. One option is to select the element and the column where to use the AI. You have the symbol here. For example, to use inside this element, clicking here, I can generate here the content only for this element, for this headline, with the same situation of the email. Otherwise, I can use this function here and let create all the page from AI. For example, create a sale page to sell my email marketing course. Persuasive and English. Use Kartra AI. Okay, here we are. We can, of course, refine the results and regenerate or use the content. Okay, here we are with our information inside the page. All has been completed, and you can check and you can refine, you can change. But it's a revolutionary way to create content in a faster way. So really useful, this AI implementation in Kartra. I want to show you now the AI business settings. Okay, you go to settings here, and then you click here on change in AI business settings. And here you can put the name of your company, your industry, and answer to this question and save. On this way, the AI will get also this information and will consider this information when it will create for you the content. So it's all for this technical part. Following, you can see on this video the explanation of what you can get by becoming my affiliate in Kartra. So it could be a good surprise for you to know what you can get for free, my bonuses to become my affiliate. So let's see in the next video. Bye.
And another news is they have changed the marketplace where you can find all the funnel, all the campaigns you can download for free or you can purchase. And here you can find, if you write my surname, Miesutta, you can filter for all my campaign, and you can find a lot of campaign that I've created in English with $497 this. Then you can find a SMA website for $97, $97 for a male network marketing website, same for a female network marketing website, strategy call funnel, $97, and so on, a restaurant funnel. So all my funnel also in English. You can see the English, the United States and Great Britain flag. And you can get all these funnel, all this campaign for free, just being my affiliate in Kartra. So you don't need to pay anything for this funnel. You see all the prices, but you will get all free if you are my partner. And you will get also my next future campaign that I'm creating in Kartra, all free, just being my affiliate. So if you don't have an account in Kartra, just email me to info@lorenzoniesutta.net or write a comment under this video. If you have already a Kartra account, but you want to become my affiliate and get all this funnel for free, just send me an email to info@lorenzoniesutta.net and I will send an email to Kartra and say to them that you want to be my affiliate. So it's all for this video. Amazing news from Kartra. See you in the next video.